Technology has come a long way in the past few years, and we are constantly being amazed by new and innovative gadgets that are hitting the market. From smart home devices to wearables, there are a variety of cool gadgets available that will blow your mind. In this video, we will take a look at some of the top coolest gadgets that you must check out. So if you're joining us for the first time, please subscribe so you don't miss any of our future uploads. 1. DJI Mavic Air 2. If you're a photography enthusiast or a travel vlogger, you're going to love the DJI Mavic Air 2. It's a high-performance drone that can capture stunning aerial footage with its 4K camera. The camera can shoot at 60 frames per second, so you can get smooth, high-quality video footage. The drone has a flight time of 34 minutes, which is longer than most drones on the market. It also has a range of up to 10 kilometers, so you can capture amazing footage from far away. Another great feature of the Mavic Air 2 is its obstacle avoidance system. It has sensors on the front, back, and bottom, which help prevent crashes and keep you and your equipment safe. With its lightweight design and compact size, the DJI Mavic Air 2 is the perfect drone for travel and outdoor adventures. 2. Amazon Echo. The Amazon Echo is a hands-free smart speaker that you can control with your voice. It's equipped with the Amazon Alexa virtual assistant, which can help you with a range of tasks, from playing your favorite music to controlling your smart home devices. You can use it to set alarms, check the weather, get news updates, and even order groceries. One of the coolest things about the Amazon Echo is its voice recognition technology. It can recognize multiple voices and provide personalized responses based on who is talking to it. This means that if you have a family, each member can set up their own profile and receive customized responses from Alexa. Another feature that makes the Amazon Echo stand out is its ability to connect with other smart home devices. You can use it to control your smart lights, thermostat, and even your TV. With the right setup, you can create a seamless home automation experience that can be controlled entirely with your voice. With its endless capabilities and integration with other devices, it's definitely a game changer that will revolutionize the way you interact with your home. 3. Garmin Venu 2. If you're a fitness enthusiast, the Garmin Venu 2 is the gadget you need in your life. This watch packs a plethora of features to help you monitor and improve your fitness goals. It features an AMOLED display with always-on mode, making it easy to see your stats during your workouts. The watch tracks your heart rate, respiration, hydration, and even tracks your menstrual cycle for female users. It also features GPS and built-in sports apps that allow you to track activities like running, cycling, swimming, and more. The watch also features a pulse ox sensor to help monitor your oxygen saturation levels. But it doesn't stop there. The Garmin Venu 2 also has some great lifestyle features. You can control your music, receive text and email notifications, and even pay with your watch thanks to the Garmin Pay feature. Plus, with a battery life of up to 11 days, you won't have to worry about constantly recharging. The Garmin Venu 2 is a must-have gadget for anyone looking to take their fitness to the next level while still enjoying the convenience of lifestyle features. 4. Apple AirTag. The Apple AirTag is a tiny device that you can attach to any item that you own, like your keys, backpack, or even your pet's collar. Once it's attached, you can track its location through your iPhone, iPad, or even your MacBook. The AirTag uses ultra-wideband technology to help you pinpoint the exact location of your lost item, even if it's out of range of your iPhone's Bluetooth signal. It's like having your own personal GPS tracking device, but on a much smaller scale. The Apple AirTag is also incredibly easy to set up and use. You simply need to hold it near your iPhone, and it will automatically connect to it. You can then name the AirTag and attach it to the item that you want to track. If you ever misplace that item, you can use the Find My app on your iPhone to track it down. But what really sets the AirTag apart is its precision tracking. It uses a combination of GPS, Bluetooth, and ultra-wideband technology to pinpoint the location of your item with incredible accuracy. And if you ever lose an item that has an AirTag attached to it, you can put it into lost mode. This will allow anyone who finds it to scan it with their iPhone and send you a notification with its location. Whether you're someone who loses their keys all the time or you just want an extra layer of security for your belongings, the AirTag is a must-have. So go ahead and get one today and start tracking all of your important items with ease. 5. Oculus Quest 2. If you're a fan of virtual reality gaming, then the Oculus Quest 2 is definitely one of the coolest gadgets on the market. With improved resolution and a sleek new design, the Oculus Quest 2 offers an unparalleled VR experience. One of the standout features of the device is the lack of wires or cables, making it incredibly easy to use and move around with. The controllers are also intuitive and easy to navigate, making it feel like you're really inside the virtual world. But it's not just gaming that the Oculus Quest 2 excels at. The device also offers a wide range of other experiences, including exercise, meditation, and even social interaction. With the ability to connect with friends in virtual environments, the Oculus Quest 2 has opened up a whole new world of possibilities when it comes to socializing from a distance. Overall, the Oculus Quest 2 is a truly impressive gadget that has the potential to change the way we interact with technology. Whether you're a die-hard gamer or simply looking for a new way to unwind after a long day, the Oculus Quest 2 is definitely worth checking out. And that's a wrap for today's video. These are just a few of the top coolest gadgets that are available on the market today. With technology constantly evolving, we can only expect more amazing gadgets to hit the market in the future. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. And if you've already tried out any of these gadgets, let us know in the comments what you think of them. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.